Day 2 in Goa. So this is our room where we are staying. This place is called as Morgim. Yeah, this is a good room. Alva, bro. It's a lot messy right now because this is what happens to your room when two boys come in. Okay. It's filled with our riding gears, whatnot, helmets, tank bag, bags, and there's a dustbin right in middle of the room. Wait, let me show you guys the view from here. It's not that much of an interesting or anything like that. This is it. It's nice. We had a good night's sleep yesterday. Right now we are going to two places. Harvellam waterfalls and then Amten Dam. Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure of the name. Even Manoj doesn't know. Stupid. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the helmet view. Okay, come, let's go. That's all right. Okay, done. Okay, so we're going down to the bikes. We don't have a proper bike parking. That's the only downside about this hotel. Everything else is pretty much good. This is called as Morgim Pride. Oh my god, it's 30 degrees Celsius in Morgim, the place we are right now. Okay, I'm not wearing my gloves. I cannot. It's too hot. Hogana. It's too hot in here. Okay, so right now we are going to Harvellam waterfalls. I don't know where it is. No idea. I think it is Sanquilin. I don't know. But before that, Manoj has to fill fuel into his bike. He has already ridden 30 kilometers in reserve. I don't know for what goddamn reason. He could have filled it, but he didn't. So our hotel is in North Goa. It's very close to Maharashtra border. Yes, and we're planning to go to Maharashtra too, to visit a beach there. But that stretch from Goa's border, that is checkpost, to our room was chaos. It was mixed with highways and also a lot of traffic. There was only about 30% of highways, and then remaining 70% were normal single roads with a lot of cars actually, because yesterday was a Sunday. I mean, that's expected. Thank you.
What's your good name?
I don't reveal my name actually. I don't reveal my name or face actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, that's why I've seen your GoPro in front of you. So, but that you might be a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
So right now you will explore all over the Goa.
Yeah, we are going to Harvellam waterfalls.
Yeah, sure.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's a good spot.
You
Even I'm from Mumbai. I'm not from here.
you're not from here? Oh, okay.
I'm not a local.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's why I asked. Now actually namdu ur Bagalkot.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Now mummy our side native place.
Okay. I'm not a proper Kannadiga. He's a Kannadiga. He's with me. I'm originally from Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, thank you. That dude just came and asked me about my YouTube channel. He saw my social media sticker on the bike. Yesterday I didn't even complete my outro. I don't even remember if I recorded me checking into the hotel. No idea, bro. I was completely blank. We checked in, we went out for dinner, and then we came back and then crashed. That's all. Okay, so this falls is about 25 kilometers from here. It was 40 kilometers from our room, I suppose. Yeah. I wish I can give you guys the location details and everything, but then I have no idea. Wow, this looks good. What is this? Church? Home? Some kind of a palace? I think it's a home. Look at this. Isn't this some kind of a river? I don't know. Any which ways, let's go. I just stopped here to wear my gloves. I don't know how, as soon as we came into Goa, we are getting reels related to Goa, top 5 locations to visit in Goa, etc, etc. So in that I saw Harbalum Falls. It was pretty okay. Yeah, that's why we're going. So our plan is to visit normal like dams, waterfalls in the first half of the day, and in the evening we'll be heading to beaches. So we haven't planned which beach to go this evening. Let's see. So my average mileage yesterday was 38 km per liter. That's comparatively less than my Kerala ride because I was cruising at around 110, 120 sometimes. Normal nahi hai? 500. 500. And right now my bike's temperature is 43 degrees Celsius. Let's go. Looks good and all. भाई वो फॉल्स किधर है? वाटरफॉल्स? ओके ओके, थैंक यू. हाँ, ಹೋಗು. Okay, we are going to that top view over there. Let's go. It's alright, it's a pretty decent waterfall. I think there was a lot of waterfall before, but now there's only little water. Yeah, it's straight over there. You have to park your vehicles here and then go. Yeah.
Park here and.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Not this one, that one, okay?
The straight.
Yeah, straight one.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank.
Where are you traveling from?
Yeah?
Where are you traveling from?
Bangalore. How was the waterfall and the cinematics and stuff like that? Do you guys like it? Yeah? Alright, right now we are going to Amtain Dam. I don't know how to pronounce that. Pardon me. So yeah, we're going there. It's about 25 kilometers from this waterfall. It's on the way to our room, but we have to, an extra 10 kilometers, I suppose. That's fine. Sankulim. Okay, this place is called as Sankulim, I guess. Yeah, it is. I don't know where I'm going right now, the place name and stuff like that. I'll go there and then find it out and then let you guys know. Okay, we took a right turn from the what's that, highway? No, that's not a highway. From the main road. We're going inside. There's a lot of red soil everywhere. Goa is filled with red soil, I suppose. Whoa, where are we going to? This looks like a desert. Looks nice though. Oh yeah, this is it. Looks good and all, but there's not enough water. We might not stay here for too long because it's hot and there's no place to sit. What's this? Holy crap, let me hold on to my key a bit tight. This is nice, but it's too hot, man. You know how silent it is in here? Okay, that's it. We just came to a shade. That's all. We are going back. According to the Google map, we can go to our room from this way. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we are currently heading to our room. It is 20 kilometers from here. Okay, so we'll have a lunch and rest for a bit and then head to the beach. I don't know which beach, but yeah, I'll see you guys while we go to the beach. Alright, bye bye, take care.